Hey everybody, just making this little video to demonstrate something called Epipharyngeal Abrasion Therapy. So I had COVID a couple months ago, and since then I've had a cough and kind of a scratchy throat that doesn't want to go away, and also had some fatigue because of that, and it's gotten kind of frustrating. So I've been looking for different remedies that might help, and I came across this that the ear, nose, and throat specialists in Japan came up with this, and they've actually been using it to treat long COVID symptoms with some efficacy. Apparently, I came across a medical journal article that talked about it. Somebody that had a chronic cough for 4 months, and this seemed to help them. But looking into this, it's been apparently helps with a lot of different things. It stimulates the autonomic nervous system, and it can help with. They've been using it as a treatment for chronic fatigue is one of the things, and then like chronic headaches, and then a lot of different things. And I've noticed after I do it, I do feel like I have more energy. It's kind of weird, hard to describe, but it feels like a little bit of a pick-me-up for some reason. So it's kind of weird, but anyway, so you use these long medical swabs, sterile medical swabs. They're like 6 inches long, and you actually stick them up your nose and all the way back and into your throat, and then you kind of use the tip of the swab to cause a little bit of abrasion to that portion of the back of your throat. And I got this solution here. It's this 2% iodine nasal spray solution, and it's supposed to have, antiviral and antimicrobial properties. And so if there is any COVID lingering back there, maybe this would help to rid me of it. But it is kind of weird. And it's a little uncomfortable the first time you do it, but it's not really painful, I wouldn't say. But you take this thing and you put it up your nose, and you kind of keep low into your nasal passage, and you kind of got to find it. There's like all these there's different little tunnels back in there, different ways you can go. So you kind of try to keep it to the low route, and I almost had it. There, I think I got it. So then it's kind of a trip, like how far in this thing goes. And then when you get it all the way in, it's touching the back of my throat, and then you kind of tap it like about 30 times. And then you spin it, rotate it to the right. To the left, about 30 times each. Well, that's pretty much it. And then you pull it out, and it's kind of weird coming out, but that's it. And I've only done it a few times now over the past couple weeks, but like I said, I feel like a little bit of an energy pick me up right when I do it. And there's a whole list of things that it's supposed to help with, like endocrine problems, autoimmune problems, nervous system issues. So even if it doesn't work for helping with my lingering COVID symptoms, maybe it'll help with something else.